These body lotions are currently under 5,000 naira. They're meant for dark and caramel skin complexion. So if you're on a budget looking for something that will work for you as a dark or caramel skin tone, this is a video you would want to watch. They are very, very effective and will give you results in no time. Guys, welcome to my channel. How is everyone doing? If this is your first time, hello. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm going to be plugging you guys onto body lotions that are very affordable. When I say affordable, under 5,000 naira body care products that are very, very safe to use for those with dark or caramel skin complexion. These products are going to brighten and moisturize your skin really well. So if you have dark spot, hyperpigmentation, or discoloration, or maybe you just stop skin bleaching, you're looking for a body lotion that is very minimalist to incorporate into your skincare routine, then I'm going to plug you onto the best body lotions. Because I have 11 body lotions here, I'm going to start from 11. Then the last one has got to be my favorite. Now, the fact that I'm starting with the one I'm starting with does not mean that it is not effective, but because I was gaslighted into buying this product as a lightening body lotion, I recommended to a few persons, and the same review I have, like personal experience I had with it, is the same they too had with it. So when it comes to dark or caramel skin tone, it actually does work, and that is none other than Dr. Davey kojic acid body lotion. As you all know, this comes in variants. It has the alpha arbutin, it has the kojic acid, which is this one, it has the niacinamide, retinol, and whatnot. So I got this because this contains kojic acid and niacinamide, which is supposed to be a very, very good lightening body lotion. And what they have promised here is that it helps to control blemishes, heal and protect the skin. It gives total detoxification, glows and shines the skin. That is what this product has promised. But when I used it for a month, this is a 500 ml bottle. So when I tell you I tried it personally, believe you me, I legit use this product for like 2 months, and my result with it is that it gave me 2 shades darker, because at the time I think I was using a lightening body lotion which actually did lighten my skin. So I wanted to maintain that skin complexion, but I didn't know that this is just meant for dark or caramel skin, like people who want to brighten up or people who are just getting started with skin lightening. So I wouldn't recommend this for those who are light skin, but if you're dark or caramel skin, you want something to incorporate, or you want a body lotion that would last and that is very affordable, this is the one to go for. I know I said under 5,000 naira, but this is selling for 7,000 naira. I have other ones here that are definitely under 5,000, but this is selling for 6,000, 5,500, 7,000 and 7,500. It all depends on where you're getting it from, but I have legit seen someone selling this for 5,500, so it is also very affordable. 10th one on my list is Dove Body Love lotion. I love Dove. If you've been following me on here, you know that apart from Nivea, the next body care product I really like in terms of moisture retention, brightening, and hydrating the skin is Dove. It does work for dark and caramel skin complexion. This is actually good in terms of hydrating the skin and keeping your skin really moist. Like the feel it gives upon application is one thing I really like about this particular lotion. Dove comes in variants, so I don't know, I have never really used this one in depth, so I can't say for a fact that this is one of my favorites. So that's why I said it has to be my least favorite for now. But does it work in terms of moisture retention and hydrating the skin? Of course, yes, that is what you're going to get. It glows and care for the skin. It is very good, especially for those with sensitive and very delicate skin. Babies around 2 years can use this body care product because it is that mild. Meant for all skin type. This is made with rice and milk extract, so it is very good, very tender in terms of moisture retention, hydration, and effectively brightening the skin. 9th one on my list has got to be Vaseline Even Skin Tone. Now, the reason why this comes as number 9 is because it has been made in different countries, and I believe it works based on the country that have produced it. Like someone who is using the UK will not get same result as one who is using the one from US. The effectiveness of this body lotion is totally dependent on the country that has formulated it. So I think this is made from either United Kingdom or UEA. Like the one formulated in the UK moisturizes better than the one formulated in Nigeria. But does it work? Yes, it is good for dark caramel skin. Even if you're light skin, you need a moisturizer in your skincare routine. It is also going to serve the purpose. But I would recommend that you get the foreign one as opposed to getting the local one, like the Nigerian one or any other one. Okay, so this would actually serve, and it also smells really well. Like it is very mild and it leaves this slippery, well moisturized finish upon application. It has been made with vitamin B3 and SPF 10 to help shield and protect you against the harmful UV ray of sun. It also has vitamin E and other beautiful ingredients beautifully added to moisturize and hydrate the skin, and also like minimizing the appearance of dark spots with the help of niacinamide. So it is very good and is going to brighten up your dark spots and clear your skin, giving you an even radiant complexion. This is not formulated to lighten your skin. However, you can activate any of these body lotion if you want them to pass as lightening body lotion. The eighth one here is Nivea Cocoa Butter. Now this particular product, of course you all know that like Nivea is one of my go-to skincare brand that I always go for in terms of moisturizing body lotion or brightening body lotion, because I have to have it in my skincare routine, either Nivea, Dove or Vaseline. Those three brands, I want to have them in my skincare routine regardless. This one, it does moisturizes and blend the skin really well. The truth is, I have so many beautiful products here that I cannot really tell you which is my least favorite and which is my favorite. I'm trying my best to make sure that I give you an honest review about each of these products. And this is made with cocoa butter extract. It has shea butter, niacinamide. It has 5 amazing oils. It is very good for those with dry skin. This would like give you that caramel skin complexion and hydrate your skin properly. Now, because it is in my number 8 does not mean that it is less effective. It is also very effective, especially for those with caramel skin. If you have a dry skin, this product is a product you want to use. This is absolutely very nice. You can add it in your skincare routine even as a light skin person to get a very flawless skin, especially if you're using a lightening body care product. The 7th one on my list that I would recommend that you guys try out is this Nivea Nourishing body care product. This is just meant for dark skin and it is solely for moisture retention and hydration. It will not brighten your skin as much, but it's going to glow your skin effectively. It's a body serum or lotion that would also moisturize your skin basically. So if you're dark caramel or light skin, this is a product you want to incorporate in your skincare routine just for the purpose of moisture retention, hydration, and like that glow. If you want to have a well blended and glowy skin and have people complimenting your skin tone, this is the one to try out. Next one here on my list that I will also recommend that you guys try out, that is very good, is Nivea Vanilla. This is very good. Like I love this particular body lotion because what it does is that it moisturizes your skin and give you this sort of brightening effect, even though it does not brighten as much. This was just formulated for those with very dry skin. If you have dry or normal skin, this is the product you want to try out because it has almond. This is going to really work well if you have like a body lotion that lightens your skin or that's lightening your skin. Even if you have a lotion that is reacting badly on your skin, with the help of this is going to minimize the after effect you're getting. Now, according to them, it is non-greasy, which is obviously true. I have used more than 3 of these, so I can tell you that it is non-greasy. It is very moisturizing, and that's what they've said. And yes, it gives 24 hours, maybe 48 hours nourishment marketing strategy, but it's going to legit give you 12 hours moisture retention. That is what you're going to get, like, and not 48 hours, because I feel again that is a marketing strategy. So this would definitely work well. I have forgotten that I was supposed to be telling you guys the prices, but regardless, this is selling for 4,800, 4,500, depending on where you're getting it from. And this is also very good, made with vanilla extract, so it smells beautiful. It said it's selling for 4,500 to 4,800. Now this is also selling for 4,500 to 4,800, depending on where you're getting it from. And one good thing about them is the fact that it also comes in sizes. So the smaller size is selling for around 3,000 to 3,500. So you can see that it is still, they are still under 5,000 naira. I don't know if I mentioned the price of this one. This is selling for 5,000. Foreign one is selling for 6,000. So the one, the price is dependent on the one you get. So if you're getting the UK own, the price is different from the Nigerian own. so on and so forth. Okay, now this is selling for 3,500. A typical example of what I was saying, that this comes in sizes. So this is selling for 3,500 or 3,000 naira, all depend on where you're getting it from. Now moving on to the next one on my list, which is very good. I cannot recommend this to people who are light skin and looking for something to maintain their skin tone, or better still your dark or caramel skin. This would actually really do. This is none other than Face Fat Vitamin C body lotion. Now why this one had come in as my number 5 is because this is not highly moisturizing. So if you're dry skin, you want to incorporate a body oil using this particular one. This will not moisturize your skin as much, but it's going to brighten and unify your skin tone. It's made with vitamin C. It helps to revive and brighten the skin. Very good body lotion in terms of maintenance. Don't buy this with the intention of skin lightening. It will not lighten your skin. If you're originally light skin, you want something that will maintain your skin tone, that would definitely do. Okay, next one on my list that is very good, which is the third one here, is this Dove Deep Care Fairness body lotion. This is very good. If you're light skin complexion, you need a body lotion in your skincare routine that will moisturize, hydrate, unify your skin tone, as well as maintaining your fair skin complexion without altering it or giving you dark knuckles or green vein. This is the one to go for. It is very nice. It smells divine. That is what I can say. This is particularly made in the, I think, United States. It delivers perfectly in the job. Now this is currently selling for 6,000 naira, which is why I said the price of this and the other one is different. Now Dove is also that company that has different people formulate. I don't know if there are different people that are formulating it or the same company in different parts of the world. Like, I don't understand, but this is also very good. It's going to legit brighten your skin and unify your skin tone really well. Next one on my list, that is the second one, and before this one comes in as second is because I already have something that is a little better than it, if not. Okay, this is none other, I'm sure you guys already know this as an OG here on my channel. You see this particular body care product, you see this body lotion. Trust me when I said it is very nice. It is very nice, and this is selling for 2,000, 2,500, and most 3,000. All depends on where you're getting it from. It's a cocoa butter body lotion. It has other beautiful ingredients like shea butter, vitamin E, and the list goes on and on. What it does is that it helps to retain moisture on the skin, tighten up the skin, like basically firming your skin. If your skin has loose elasticity, this product will help tighten up your skin. Now you can actually use this if you're dark caramel or light skin complexion. Pairing this in your skincare, adding this into your skincare routine is a win-win, because what it's going to do is that it's going to moisturize and brighten your skin for the day, prepping your skin for your actives to work at night. That is what you get. SPF 20 and UVB protection to protect you against the free radicals or sun exposure. So it is very good. For the price listing, this is supposed to come as number 1. It comes in a 400 ml bottle, which means the content in here can last you for like a month or 2, depending on how much you consume product at a go. But this is super beautiful. I would recommend that you add it into your skincare routine if you're looking for a body care product or a moisturizer that will moisturize your skin and that will not alter your skin tone, especially for those who are lightening up their skin. But this is recommended for those with caramel skin tone, because if you're dark skin and you don't want to alter your skin tone, this might alter your skin tone in a way, because it's going to give you like a shade lighter, if that is the word. Like, it's going to a bit tone you up. But if your caramel skin is going to like brighten that your caramel skin complexion, making it visible and glowy radiant. Okay, number 1 on my list, drum roll please, number 1 on my list, and this is because this I don't know if that, like, I don't know what's, but this is none other than the Vaseline Gluta-Hya Flawless Bright. This product will not lighten your skin, it will not bleach your skin, it will not tone your skin. It's going to unify. See me, if you ask me to to describe this product in 3 words, I would say unify, even complexion, and framing. Unify, even complexion, and framing. That is what you get with this particular product. I have talked about this product a whole lot of times. I'm sure you guys are already familiar with what this product does. It has Gluta Glow, which is 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. It has hyaluronic, which helps to lock in moisture on the skin, even though upon application it breaks down into water and sink into your body seamlessly. It is non-greasy, but you need a lot of it to go a long way. But does it unify? Does it glow? Yes, it will definitely give you this unifying complexion. It will legit fade your green veins. I'm sure that is why it is coming up as my number one. If you have green veins around your thighs, your hands, this would help fade your green veins, and it's currently selling for 13,000 to 15,000 naira. That is how much this is currently selling for, and it's not going to allow anything like white patches or strawberry skin. Like, this would firm and tighten up your skin. If your skin has lost elasticity, I love the packaging and I love everything about this body lotion. It's just the fact that it will not last you for a long time. For me that do not consume skincare product that much, and this did not even last me up to like legit 1 month, because I was using it with my other body lotion. This at night, both face and body. You guys, I forgot to mention this can be used for both face and body. It is that gentle, very, very, very mild. So another thing I love about this body lotion is that it did not promise so much, but it does so much. Okay, so yes, these are my 11 body care products for dark and caramel skin complexion, as well as those who have fair skin that wants to incorporate moisturizing and brightening body lotions in their skincare routine. This can be added in your skincare routine, but I will not advise you add this in your skincare routine as a moisturizing body lotion if you already have something for you. This is something that should be used with a body oil, so you don't need to use this and still have another body lotion, because it's more like a waste of time. But if you're looking for something to solely use on your skin, this can actually pass. I hope you find this video helpful. Which of these are you currently trying out, or would you be trying any of this? Let me know down in the comment section. If you have any video suggestion, please leave it down in the comment section, and hopefully I film about it. Okay, see you guys in my next one pretty soon. Bye.